Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to debug Google Chrome cross-site storage issues, step by step, fully updated for 2026. Cross-site storage problems usually occur when cookies, local storage, or session data fail to sync, or are blocked between different domains due to privacy and security restrictions. First, understand the cause. Chrome limits cross-site storage access to protect users from tracking. This can affect logins, embedded content, and third-party services. Now let's start debugging. First, open Google Chrome and go to Settings, Arrow Privacy and Security, Arrow Site Settings. Click Cookies and Site Data. Make sure Allow Third-Party Cookies is enabled for testing purposes or add specific trusted sites under Allowed. Next, open Developer Tools by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus I on Windows or Command plus Option plus I on Mac. Go to the Application tab. Under Storage, check Cookies, Local Storage, and Session Storage for each domain. This helps confirm whether data is being created or blocked. Now switch to the Network tab. Reload the page and look for blocked cookie warnings or errors related to same site or cross-origin requests. These messages clearly indicate storage issues. Another important step is checking partitioned storage behavior. Chrome now isolates storage for third-party contexts. If embedded content fails to store data, it's likely due to partitioning rules. You should also test in incognito mode. Open a new incognito window and load the site again. If it works differently, extensions or cached data may be interfering. Next, review browser flags. Open Chrome://flags and reset any privacy, cookie, or storage-related flags back to default. Incorrect experimental settings can break cross-site storage. Finally, update Chrome. Go to Chrome://settings/help and install any pending updates, as storage policies change frequently. And that's it. By reviewing cookie settings, inspecting storage and dev tools, monitoring network errors, testing partitioned storage behavior, resetting flags, and keeping Chrome updated, you can effectively debug cross-site storage issues. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome debugging tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.